points obi atimenya and Bema Juventus omuka Petrodra 2025 e was Saudi Arabia Riyadh no and you FIFA Club World Cup dear Bam Dema no na Pema e was Milan report eba is a prade edu omunya and Rami touching it down Edmao esa Brantia Jeffreno and Malik Chow or prayer bro free stadium na okra crutches and echo a Brobo Champions League game against Dortmund na so far omanya injuries maku 26 and a season way etima to tima your friend AC Milan na maku 26 omotimi asofa no arawosem and so Rama nurse so far out of 27 players omo Milan squad so from register for season we no emu maku 8 per and a season way omuntimi so far. Let's all check here. Ben 19 players at the sofa or Matima sofa as well a preseason way more now Kopema 8 players or Muntimin sofa prano and 2 pen status Opema you'll be sir a Mantomian Prino you'll be sir a Tomori you'll be sir Alexander Florenzi Yo Mirante Yo Romero Yo Adile Yo Musa Pobega and a Tijani Rantes Omunen sofa injuries now Omoma Preprano Obia Desa wakwa watena fie ena mete pama no otwa abrantia ye from Noah Okafo on so far 24th October opraye watena nchabe 3 days bi no bae enwachu pema Luka Jovic on 25th October on so 3 days no tena ho okọ abrantia ye from no Esimoye on so no etena 31 days ena pema Christian Pulisic on so 14 days ena abrantia Pierre Kalulu on so no 31 days and now Roma Branteven Pellegrino on your 31 days and now Branteven Teo Hernandez 3 days and now Brante Krunic on your 1 day and now Brante Pulisic Esako 5 days and now Rafael will go 18 days and what you say Roma you are Brante your friend David Calabria on 1 day and now Okafor Sako 9 days and they say Malik Chow as to Elko next one Beninamwa and other players in the Google Olivier Giroud equals 7 days and now Roma other players in Nano Steven Menyon let's on so Ekobi a bear 6 and a bed demo ye jamo as so a damamo you shooting so breaking on down attaching on down Mamingwa Naminya see Ronaldo Misung Kumalewa and the Manchester United for or Muffin Poppy or your Bobo Nina Crafinte player Nina said no Manchester United and Kanyan so much no and then 14 goals almost Sano Nina said Ronaldo a champion Saudi Arabia or Mulikinma a local derby ba and your Kokotema derby a Chenchenche derby a like Pesicon derby Nina said Ahilal a ball against Team Fan Al Nassr na Enra Team Fan Al Nassr or we are training on enemy soon Kumalewa Crafinte Ronaldo Efre Al Nassr players nina and what the two name as some phantom team as Nyame Bwana said derby no yetimichi Al Hilal esha omupe likely say upemo Saudi league ni ya beje yani ya second the points na dentem no enya de say eye popology bia and you somebody two team and we ready for training was well ready for a debut game and you misum Kumalewa Ronaldo the floor eba ya de ema munano pay e wo tumadie no so no na upema yan touching it down as Argentina omu national team boss even Lionel Scaloni on super reporter eba and say nyame pena next year upem e Copa America enya bana wi ya pe Lionel Scaloni the mate best put down as Argentine omu national team coach no or best put down ninyina is already what the catch walk up amomo or the Copa America no timichi edmoma die biem and also Lionel Scaloni was Jadima Argentina omu national team no na or step put down and you per reporter asha sebopa mi jamu edamamo and what you pema yam fan 20 SN Champions League game etotwa ewo Estadio da Luz ewo Benfica and Inter Milan na Benfica omu fans no okobe from Edia Boss FMLs and right pyro omu ye e Jan Wisia omu eda na di so ye ɛso Estadio Dalu no na ɛswani so kache ɛna taso Hakim Ziyech ɛso I record ɛde etia Manchester United adaya Hakim Ziyech wababe the third player in the history of Champions League in a single game baako pɛ watimi abo free kick mienu ɛde ato atenama na hye ne nyina so pema 2009 ɛne misunku Malewa Ronaldo etimi ball ɛyɛ Champions League game na sa game no was 2 free kick goals ɛno achi 2018 Neymar ɛso ebo free kick mienu to atenam ɛna 2023 Morocco na ye friend Hakim Ziyech ɛso atuma ye bi ɛno ɛde ba aye chamwa mu na no pai ɛwɔ tumadi no so na owura we ye friend no Jesse Rodriguez nipa bra wa bre we de fie sasa enya dinachi afi ba ko pe wa relegation 2 player no tap so no be bi ne nyina no sesa player we emre bi atwam na obo edima PS nyina na Jesse Rodriguez otwe May 2023 what is Sampdoria equal relegation ewo Italy ofra no twane kode ena okopem Brazil eko sakadma equal retiba or side wo equal relegation 2023 what the teams two and equal relegation and 2 year team na unim na ukofa Jesse Rodriguez fa two teams relegation bye bye obeko enu ye de pana Endrick Real Madrid de masa ndise Mourinho ka say opanyini na Jefferno Florentino Perez no we super smart no akoda we next year oba Real Madrid na so far upemo Brazil waba ababe a player bia since Neymar sa record no out chese no wadi 17 years in 2009 Neymar shot 10 goals ewo Brazil omu season no anomu league no yenya 17-year-old player Brazilian season no and a Brazilian league watimi asha 10 goals and Endrick no ni goal no wa momi antwanura Palmeiras watimi fitamo esimpinimo ewutamo ema goal no esu etimi fai eno dawa yede emam ewo dwumadie no so na no awtwa ni goal no babi onama opejamo efitamo esimpinimo ema ball no koda atenam no na no odene eno player future Real Madrid omu player omu chance so far the partnership the Terry Party with Vinicius Junior with Brante Rodrigo asha so Brazil national team no yede emam eno no na opem ayemfanto anem ese opem Olympic Liona almost so Italian coach your friend Fabio Grosso omo pam no ade Fabio Grosso obaka this week ya Tuesday and I'm touching it down team also Okosha John Texter Leon omo president no for a poor performance nina so kopem league omo ene dato oba changes bi amae ampa ene omo jano kwan omo apam no se so pema baby omo training director of the training center open never PSAC and what take you over na me pass Saturday League 1 game Lyon any loans ebebono or no and better bench e dem Lyon bobo ekuno and no e de ba mi jama na pema e team friend Sporting C Pentabaka, Yevan Osman Dio Monday, na onu jamete, ese bamunchin, and ya bra omo epeno, and no edepa, na ukopem bamunchin, omsi 2024-2025, omo home kit, just one bashano, nese omo red, no, eped, wabenya 3 shades of red, no, ahudwamiensa, and a pepper, we omo just in it, the main buying omo color red, no, eped dominati, and a baby are buying omo crest, no, and one to red, no, and Sadanya a red pa and no almost quite friend darker red and no a team power red no and then watching the corner or more red biswa and also and Sadanya red dikidika and we are dark maroon and no so far there ye jejam adamamo ewo tumadi no so na ye gusu team konwa so e break no down attach no down opemo Real Madrid so far almost many aje and no Vinicius Junior and eda Militao e be pemo betel machi na Madrid no pemo Champions League so far omo eneda omo group no so La Liga omo eneda so without our players way omo nyina prepra Kamavinga Luka Modric eda Militao any players out there omo nyina prepra omo amobi boys no sika life for the omo ball akata omo de and omo gyina ho no eno ede ba ye jamo eso jama na uko Nico Paiza akoda ketwa no so far 19-year-old boy was shining first goal at Real Madrid no na upem after the goal no no yade se ukon IG page comment out weba David Alaba was a pause and whatever na se a play with Jude Bellingham. Congratulations bro, well deserved and whatever Brem Diaz Nico and one also diaba and a place out where do ba Tony Cruz Edeni diaba and you more to come and whatever na ya when mami reaction a bro send first goal at my Real Madrid no na ni mami open about ni mami ni nuanu reaction no football do say na man ye there emotions no e ya na touch am na fe Barcelona say akwana adwuma na na fa ama asomani and ya Chancelo say so far permanent deal no Manchester City budget 25 million pounds na better so negotiate better so no edeba na ukopema owura ye fe no Eric Ten Hag defending Onana and results buy no yentin chemo odimai.
And yeah, we win together, we lose together, and you see the progress in this team. And I take many positives of this game. In some stages we play like I wanted my team to play. It was enjoyable to watch them, and so proactive, dynamic, and brave. And we scored great goals. And even after we had some setbacks, we kept going till the end, because in the end.
And you Eric Ten Hag and at the sense similar to ja as omunya positives be every game num na o defend Onana eso na Manchester Sofian Amrabat see January compare whole team for that naba a very place na kwa we do ambasa bona bonkele na o mane tena odia and ye enkoye eso emfa emomo and you Manchester Sofian Amrabat so far they nam no ho ba na no panyeven Jimmy Carragher e dia tutwa esa Brentford ne feno Casemiro no ay what a terrible buy and ye transfer na define buy no and nye na unim say Bukayo Saka ne Akodana or Badman Leverkusen na ye fan Florent Fet no so far Ukwe probably the only two players my 10 assists e just adwuma no probably ye papa ye nyina so na ye fan sama odoa ye boaboa no na no pai no ye fan sana bibia enye kama na moment sorry so you know ma me fa a birthday message enkoma eye open proper we teacher ni ewo eye Divine Mercy Academy ewo abroad dunkwa ye for Felix Ofori Hayford watch are there ewo Divine Mercy Academy ewo abroad dunkwa miankasa mema uchi ma there eye Girardin Pokuya Boache and Caroline Adjoa Boache and Luther Boache Jr. Almost we teacher ni omo pewasempa said you see doma o show no omo Emma happy birthday entity Mr. Hayford yama happy birthday ready show no omo akoma so de nyina so entimi mram emfa emaye.
First clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma gine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkwa womu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi womu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ni ade ni ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho 0540311311 0540311311 na 21st clinic wo mo sciatica expert
wa hese wakosho akodi dwa hodo basket ma emu provisions ene nyoma hodo ehia opa wa delay musa edru so na ukotua nso a yaka kire wo se untimi ntiante e mechance na ma na so Hey, yakeke. Nemum o the Vodafone cash dia. Uni how cry.
Yakako bebia.
Say dear. Put me the Vodafone cash. It's your merchant beer or what network beer so. Hey, straight. Hey, direct. Hey, sharp. And to say water provisions. Well, inro, imiane. Metrese be beer or pesa we ye piano. Vodafone cash. I am remember here obey the say. Obey dial star 110 hash. Next year kako merchant beer ho. Network beer so and near.
Vodafone. Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris Beef's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris Beef's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver. For those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants, get Boris Beef's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris Beef's Farms hotline 05 444 53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Da na minya Royal Foam mattress no. How the brain na me komu. Meda mpano sueni na atom. Na me chika seso na me huna nyina ya me ya. Na die kume kra ne se. Ya no mo so beda aso ape. Na waja me. Na minya Royal Foam mattress no. Pa kwesi da aso ape. E na oye me ho ade. Congratulations dear. Me fa no kwa. Asedan koma Royal Foam. Quality mattress papa fi. Oje aware Royal Foam. What man nami relaxation aye de. I want to swear we nya wo mu ne se. Royal Foam mattress aye papa. Eche yi aye quilted mattress inti. Woda so a ama wo na ye foam. Se woto mattress free Royal Foam a. Seche free pillows. Royal Foam aje abasobode e 12 Ghana Business and Financial Excellence Awards no mu. Yet on quality duvets, curtains, beds, ni carpentry foams ahodo nyina bi. Hwehwe yen wo Royal Foam showrooms. Any sales depots a ewo Ghana fana nyina. Fre 020-227-1000. Royal Foam, rest assured.
Welcome to St. Andrews SHS. I am grade A private SHS. Yeah, SHS courses near General Arts, Science, Business, no waka kaho. Ever St. Andrews SHS, yeah, dinner ever pass. O send one teachers now. Wash a window, discipline, no first one was yati. St. Andrews, Riviera, supermarket, sick bay, barber shop, swimming pool, FM station, constant water supply and electricity.
256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash bra na bra bitwa na bedi uboshima bonse ebeyi abeyi ba na wabomode afa Sompa Kumasi ba ko ye 5 Ghana cedi muntwangum dodo na na mutwaguma obobomode na wadi enche meba na maba be me first draw no Michael Akomi ampombo ko de
abu bibia boko bibia de dadi
ba me kai ko for enche o messages ne meba ba be kinkan Sompa Sport official Okretera and where they are told Ibisa says you were for Champions League in 2023-2024 season. And me so already be able to na cut match ba kope na ye bomode na ye the group stages na kwa dia pem na team am be rerama na ye din koma na ye ya me da ye ko
yes Abu Dhabi ma ye nche tiefo ne mo makwa ba famra Sompa Sports so na ma men wo hye me ankasa me wo fa say Andrea Ekun ko school Frobel Patase Block House or no. Onana ma many betray picture na no other Liberty Conference.
Oh, okay.
Yes, Andrea Ekueko. Na minsha no na onya ne kese na se de wuso ya ho fefefe sei na odi benyini na wo fa so etimi anya ho nsempa etimi aka na edidi ho kama so. Iti nya minsha Andrea, all the best for today. Na the birthday ni ba betray kiki ni blue school mo. Abu UEFA Champions League.
Oh, team Bernard disappointed.
Miana. Oh, Manchester United.
Man United and disappointed.
Yes.
Have you Champions League?
Yes.
Matore Fameko.
Baso. Was not in our
Fameko.
Yes. Abu Dhabi. And now, under 27 minutes, now Arsenal lead RC Lens by 4-0. Now, Abuana and Pimpi now intense when it comes to the UEFA Champions League. Ateta not only say what a solid result the Arsenal in the game against RC Lens, but for a long period of time, Yahoo Arsenal so more room into the UEFA Champions League and see one of my say group stage almost qualify aqua in the knockout round and they look so good. Now Abu, no me per se you take a little bit of time. Near sure the week when it comes to Ateta time of PM Arsenal in the Jumedia Abidi Aboa. Now where Arsenal 201st game under Mikel Arteta. It against none other weekend your mobile Brentford. And we knew about go to know that was the 200th match for Arteta. Now assessing Arteta in the first 100 games and in the second 100 games against other managers on my back Arsenal no. It as compared to other managers or coach Arsenal in their first 200 games omudijina bench edemeye Arsenal any omu win percentage omu edemeye Arsenal now say now the kind to so Arsenal move ya the first 100 games you go back to that it usha Mikel Arteta first 200 games 116 wins 34 draws then 50 losses representing 58% win rate Arsene Wenger first 200 games, you know, Ejina 56%, George Graham 200 games, Ejina 54%, George Allison the Ejina 48%, Herbert Chapman the Ejina 44%, Sane Twatwa. So it's Abu Dhabi. Osha Arteta has even bettered the record and that one of them Arsene Wenger in the first 200 games as a coach for Arsenal. Now baby I done it the number of games I won the wins now what me na. It tells you a level of improvement. But Obeka's Arteta and Shas ye I me say a bro remove some other part of the time at Arsenal and your Shas say improving. Here Arteta first 100 games and then the second 100 games, and you understand the reason why he has really improved. Abu way Arteta first 100 games in the Premier League in the night 69 matches in the Premier League in the first 100 games 33 games and winning 15 or draw and or lose 21 representing 48% when it comes to the Premier League in the first 100 games win rate. In the Europa League 16 matches in his first 100 games 10 wins 3 draws 3 losses representing 63%. Then over Champions League one will be in the first 100 games. FA Cup 8 matches 7 wins 1 loss 88%. Then League Cup 6 matches 4 wins 1 draw 1 loss 67%. Then Community Shield 1 and lose or draw 1. Penalty shootout na Arsenal dey here and they win. So the first 100 games open competition pa na Arsenal demu sonko pa na FA Cup it is no news that Arteta be pay more Arsenal on the first 100 games mu no dey the FA Cup and the Arsenal. We are no free on my Europa League ni beba
You will say any sporting CP a cast na ko konanim ko ye den. E ko pie mo ba bi manoma ko ye di mo. But now see the second 100 games of Arteta, the same graph now we move you if you was here no. You go back to the same graph. And now in the Premier League, Arteta 78 matches in the second 100 games, 51 wins, 10 draws, then 17 losses, representing 65%. So comparatively, offer Arteta first 100 games in the Premier League, now the win rate is 48%. The second 100 games in the Premier League, the win rate is 65%. That means I improving so well and gap new. Then over checking the Europa League and also Gina Pepe 63%. Champions League, Arteta second 100 games for Arsenal. When you are Konya Ababirum, 4 matches, 3 wins, 1 loss, and Abu Dhabi Ejina 75% win rate. Then you look at the FA Cup, 3 wins, 3 games, 1 win, 2 losses, representing 33%. It means Arteta second 100 games, you know, they are not performing so well when it comes to the cup games.
Yes.
Which is domestic cup games, you know.
Yes.
It is FA Cup, League Cup, no. But they are performing so well in the major competitions, especially when it comes to Europe and the league.
The second
100 games, no more pija. It is Arteta. When first was the team now. In the first part, no crowd, no help on us. Le boy because us na boy no mubui. Peche. It will la Lacazette, Pierre Emerick Aubameyang mo near Bobo and the two machi na kwa koye bibio. But if you are looking at us na nkasa dia mo dem usrunko da Mikel Arteta. Your more level of intensity. Now, on level of intensity now. When athletic form my graph will be able to prove actually say any say na see improvement at me PM. Then no share goals for expected. No goals against expected. Way Arsenal level of intensity. Arteta first 100 games, you know, na lie achemu. Utu we baby na match number no one at 10 na wo ho no. And only representing Arteta first 100 games, which is the average. Now what her graph now atia ba former ba be si baby na 100 the one achemu mienu no. But she free one e kone himfa. Peja kosro. So it means Arsenal have moved away from a level and they can play with a lot of intensity. Now only your mobile be ready say you have a lot of stamina. And some are betting face you and that is what has given Arsenal the needed load. You read the XG4 and the XG against, and you understand where Arsenal have actually improved when it comes to say expected goals against them and expected goals for them. Expected goals for Arsenal in a blue color no, and expected goals against and a red color no. It was before Arteta 100 games no, and as Arteta everyone second 100 games no. First 100 games we say red in the also be, which means Arsenal no more prone to conceding a lot of chances.
Yes.
I was on carbon no do na timi to mo net and timi show mo. But after first 100 games no one rely anymore as a blue na be doors watching red no.
Yes.
Which means Arteta second 100 games now over the Arsenal no. And they so be create a lot of chances there to Arsenal. So first 100 games was a period of testing. Second 100 games has proven a point for Arteta, and I believe Arsenal is only going to go forward. And Arsenal be left. I wouldn't be surprised if Arteta and check crown within the first bear and the next bear 3 or 4 seasons crown. Arsenal bet me either the Premier League or the UEFA Champions League per the level Arsenal City call. Either the league or the Champions League per the level Arsenal City call. I'm saying it again.
The first day.
Arteta within the next 3 to 4 seasons. So Arsenal sana.
Next 3 to 4 seasons. Arsenal be League.
Arsenal be UEFA Champions League. Under Mikel Arteta. I'm using the coach under Mikel Arteta.
Under Mikel Arteta.
Yes.
3-4 years.
Yes.
Arsenal be League.
Arsenal be League and UEFA Champions League.
League ni there fan baby ba Champions League there.
Me say Arsenal be League.
Champions League there me no nya adwen.
Nyame ne e bom pa say o man nkwa. No man ahoden. No man nyini nche. Ne nhwe ade.
Arteta the Arsenal be champion.
Yes.
Mikel Arteta.
Yes. On the bed, the first manager of the Arsenal be Champions League.
I mean, can I have the form na bana?
Abu Karavet form the day. Abu Metimaka say, and the performances was as equal like the Uni Bibiano. But at some point in time, when you score a goal and all of these things, I think Arteta is trying to find a way and means for him on Obetima as a force now drop PD Baba Kakra. But Abu moving away from Arsenal, and it was a memorable moment for Giovanni Simoni. Also, our Atletico Madrid coach, arch rivals of Real Madrid, even Barcelona, but in terms of the same city, Atletico de Madrid. Now, and before the game, Papa go hotel. Now, Papa, where even Barcelona against Real Madrid, the Messi tree, but Radford full players be 5 do obokoto net mo ko share
ko one quarter final quarter final match
I know go head that particular game. This particular match Crampo enya akonya no papa in the same stadium because of the rivalry between the two sides. But there no Crampo to nchen, he had opportunity to watch that game and he feels say no Crampo esa so okaka ni the man ye anwahoa say ne de okowura mu e wo Stadio de Bernabeu ekoshe go edit Real Madrid. The father will be so much proud at what he has done because before the game papa ne ba hotel and oba Napoli hotel no nyomu didi nkomo no catch the ban said the ban nko for go no bet na TV echi ahwe. And I think a father will be so proud seated behind his sofa watching say ne ba etimi anyina ba bedroom pempen so eti say no room at the Champions League at this stage na otimi abobo e dey ato net e dey am. They did not win though, but I think he's proving a point underwater Mazari that he could be a starter for Real Madrid in no time. Abu eno na ebe movie on Andrew Onana Abu SMP. But Andrew Onana in the spotlight in the Champions League. The last few games, even before Ebeko break, Abba started Champions League ni BM. Oh, one of the best players for Manchester United in the last few games of Manchester United. Andrew Onana is or a part of it.
Last few games,
Manchester United. Oh yes. Onana can be because against Everton we saw him, against Fulham. He won a lot of games. Even against Manchester City and Manchester United lose by 3-0. One of the best players in those games was Andrew Onana.
So is he out there now?
So I don't know. Andrew Onana Premier League form. Our pick any Champions League form na ekutano no. Two different things. Boy bra. Miankasa metie me wan kakra. And this is quite strange to see a goalkeeper at this stage performing differently in the league and performing differently in the UEFA Champions League. Single-handedly, Obiabetima Kase Onana go conceding against Bayern Munich and changing the dynamics of that particular game against Bayern Munich.
Yes.
Over here, Manchester United against Galatasaray. Go conceding, exercise the dynamics of that particular game against Galatasaray Ofie. Then Uber movie on Aquaposhe against Copenhagen. Dodo Onana did say that could be a turnaround for Andrew Onana. Yes, that could be a turnaround. And Andrew Onana save getting to the latter stages of the game at Old Trafford felt that Afedi and Yoma day I stabilized. Then they go back to Copenhagen. Then another blunder. Then no about her against Galatasaray against Hakim Ziyech. Free kick I believe goalkeepers are prone to mistakes. Abu, goalkeepers are prone to mistakes. It doesn't take away the fact that Andrew Onana is a very good goalkeeper.
He's a very good goalkeeper.
Yes.
I confess my fee David here.
Debbie. Debbie. I won't replay. Also David here and your woman you know. So nimza.
The other chance you United no.
They know Jana Odi Kamba United.
Oh okay.
What did they mention? Say the Odi no Andrew David here asem no more cardia then make us say ne only Onana nyina can no difference.
Onana no upgrade on.
Migi akwaba boko there.
Abu mejo so.
Now bizarre come as a music.
Into Onana upgrade on the here.
Per David here form now no different Manchester United net there. I'll pick Onana ahead of him.
Saying.
For David De Gea form no.
I'll feel
United no Maybe Onana ahead of him.
But I don't know any pity mistakes here.
What's the name? Abu.
I'll my Champions League no kum.
Now David De Gea kunya last season Crampo change the way you know.
To be pick the year be kono. Ne form no one need to be
because they tell make us ask them say answer na the year ba be kokra Andrew Onana was one of the best goalkeepers in the world.
No, there was a drop off.
You see
in the entire Manchester United team performance last season season.
I don't say do baby so.
What's the day? Now get me David here. But David here mistakes or any last season for me.
And make us say last season no be season. There was a drop off. Now dreaming now is a Premier League no maybe a top 4 no. The focus will be on Europa League and also Jigui. Na omodi omani na ko guru the FA Cup ne so.
It's not true, Mike. Okay. There was never a drop off before. It's like Betima Andrew Onana so floppy or flopping a drop off of Manchester United form kakra.
That season you both do be
but now say yebo against Galatasaray no Copenhagen mu nyina wo fie. Champions League Manchester United form to say. Any form. E was run e form. Would the way man Manchester United form or Champions League was run e form.
Because you have
performed. So if you think David here
see Akas will be a drop form two things. Generally team no psyche ne say yabo season ewie the epese GBI so they cool off and underperformance so we need there yebo but yen what happened to United at the tail end of last season? They say there was not much to play for in the Premier League, but top four no me secure. Then in the Europa League, they were eliminated. FA Cup na Omadring Ewoso. You can show me mistakes of David here, but Andre Onana no, he has always been an Eurostream goalkeeper. There has never been an occasional Onana. And to me, Mbambe, say Andre Onana away or that way. Onye mistakes that. I want the DNA. Abu David here last season. Oh, per goalkeeper. Abu David here last season. I want the DNA.
Onana DNA.
Andre Onana at Ayas and throughout. Oh yeah, the one was Inter. Say, Inter did not face much quality opposition. I was Serie A and him to expose, and then they had a solid backline as well. Try me. What kind of quality opposition are Inter be exposed to? So and even I'm coming. And even in the Serie A, and you know that mostly. Ne Same Handanovic and Sana Handanovic issues neighbor with injury and Sana Onana never take you over. So the quality of opponents won and never determine the quality of chances that you concede. And the opponent mission they be alternate. So I barely concede chances. Me go keepana me demua. My chances of keeping a clean sheet in was wrong. But when you come to the Premier League, it is much more open. And teams in the they are causing upsets.
Oh, on issue now, I can watch my dreams as a miso. Yes, United is struggle with ultimate champions.
Yeah.
But this is team Bobo. Wash free goals.
Yeah.
Now keeper no them no. I a mistake. I'm at it.
Exactly the point.
So I don't know no problem.
He has not been a difference maker. So yes, Onana abe make a difference with United team nimwa sinihu anya no kre. He has not been a difference maker. This was a goalkeeper. Nanka United for ne say or the omo the next level. And he bought Alisson Becker dia. Alisson Becker took Liverpool to the next level. After wine Loris Karius near drying mo obaye no. He transformed them. Man City with Ederson. He took them to the next level. Thibaut Courtois, Real Madrid took them to the next level. We know for Monkoy, Omokunkon baby Omono. Ain't in the year comparison with the here. So was it the here no or a Confobonia? Oko Confo Papa. Yariana still won't mean sir.
Yeah, but maybe be issue now coming problem they say United.
Akwani Digu, he's been exposed.
Mutim Bobo na ma free goals. Now you a mistake am atete.
Exactly.
Oh yes, obetima to. Obetima kan wasem.
Okay.
Yeah, person accept say
no
more how pani.
No.
Who accept say no. Onana na emo how?
No.
I don't know na emo.
No.
Dintia.
Abu. Baby ayeti. Andre Onana you fan about Manchester United. Obeka difference makers and maybe you have your point of view from Andre Onana say be obey saves obepimbi. But I think there are major reasons as to why Manchester United chose Andre Onana apart from only saving. What is the major? Despite say the basic duty of a goalkeeper is to save. So if you tell me say Andre Onana any difference maker, personally I'll tell you say it is a no because most of even our first phase build-ups, meba Abu Mame Kasantuaso, our first phase build-ups and our second phase build-ups has been enhanced by Andre Onana. This season when it comes to the Premier League, only as Alisson Becker and they are better than Andre Onana when it comes to even save percentage in the Premier League. Per teams will face a lot of shots. At the same Andre Onana now, when he say make us a league in the Champions League, that is where he's having one or two petty mistakes. But no, there has been a moment of brilliance from him at least in even one game. I'm here to say when Andre Onana has his day, he can do better against Copenhagen at home.
I remember clearly when we win a somebody build up Mamunko.
Not good to know and your mommy, yes, better go. Let's have boy build up. And he's only second to Alisson Becker in the league. So what is the problem?
League discussion here.
And if you move away from that and you come to the Champions League
in the league. Last 3 clean sheets are we keeping. Check the kind of opposition or keeping clean sheets in against.
Mike
Fulham.
And go and check the X.
Everton. Relax. Everton, Fulham, Amolas, Luton.
Yes.
These are the 3 clean sheets. Last 3 clean sheets are Onana. I'm on a 5 clean sheets. These are opponents who naturally will sit And then, but for Kobe Mainoo's brilliant last goal line clearance or intervention, Man United conceded.
Yeah.
But if goalkeeper ne keep clean sheet. There are a lot of contests surrounding clean sheet. Contest be brewo clean sheet. One you're careful, you might just interpret it as a goalkeeping brilliance. Kobe Mainoo anko clear ball na sanke to net mo. Anka clean sheet by. Good. So this is not even a Premier League discussion. So the point here is you brought in a goalkeeper you thought or a difference maker to take you to the next level. Evidence number one, he was in the goal post for Inter Milan and he helped Inter's defensive solidity. Inter so mo defensively solid no na can ho bi. Enti na mo gidie mutua over the top. He's expensive.
Oh,
and I'm to come and make the difference. United last season saying one more Champions League, but in Europe they did not go as they expected. Now the Champions League finalists above goalkeeper, he was one of the best in the competition. The expectation is that he takes you to the next level. Obaeno, how are things? You are in a group. We are second favorite, but realistically, now you're the fourth after 5 games. Wow. You have conceded how many goals? You don't think we should ask questions about Akwayi or Daswi?
I was here bizarre.
So say Abu say Mike Kaseni no make a certain statement about Inter Milan.
Yes.
Say even the defensive setup of Inter Milan and your team ne Buamo Onana, it make keep a lot of clean sheets. So why do you also have to omit that particular stance when it comes to Manchester United and single him out as the problem?
So Meba, is
it's because during the same discussions you singled out here. One can say United defense number one.
Sure.
You spoke about build up. When giving the defense credit, said they are also helping Onana to build up. So if you isolate Onana, it helps me to also isolate him.
Because so let me speak.
And you so
my lord, flow.
Abu, let me talk.
Lord Akomia, flow. Flow.
Okay. Abu, Andrew Onana. Musi say a Champions League assembly. Correct. Well noted. League aside, you phantom chain. Me pesi the league bebem. In the Champions League, Manchester United against FC Bayern Munich. First goal conceded, you could literally say yes, Andrew Onana. But within that particular same game, I could talk about a lot of crucial saves Andrew Onana did in that particular aspect. You could feel say, Bayern. Can you say give me the cramp bit my worse than that? You look at Manchester United against Galatasaray. So game now Manchester United to shoot Galatasaray will feel no. Blame Andrew Onana because that game no. Manchester United were literally leading by 2 goals to 1 to say Casemiro could be red card. And goals are Manchester United conceding. Who blame Andrew Onana against Galatasaray? Against Copenhagen, Andrew Onana saves and the man Manchester United 3 points in that particular game. Single-handedly man of the match performance against Copenhagen. Then the return leg against Copenhagen, Manchester United were literally leading by 2-0 against FC Copenhagen. Would you blame Andrew Onana for those particular goals now Manchester United?
who should be from Netherlands. PS before now, so no more bomb match, but only my crow. Ya banning omo.
Okay, to omo beti omo kawa.
Simple.
Our ball here do.
Eti omo to be Spain there. You remember Portugal? They have a year the and it made it beautiful for the Inter people. Now to the last, but certainly the biggest of it all, Lazio versus Celtic. When it was a Celtic for not a Lazio for not sure, the farm did the Fenian bastards take shower today. Fenian bastards near they refer to Irish Catholics. Ireland for no and the Catholic for no. What muti chiuno no muti Celtic boboku no. Brother Walcred, Mabeye sa way good. Fenian bastards na a slang term sen kebia. Ye ni hu China for na and ye hu bronia. Ye fe obronia na broni pete. Good. Slang colloquial way ni bia. Fenian bastards are referred to Irish Catholic people. Na Celtic in Chile Irish and Catholic, then they will refer to them as such. Now Ireland for so called Yaumu or period of a great famine. Beba be him. But why will Lazio take it to this extent? See a bit do at him. Na 10 years a bit do no. It will sound more racist than just a sporting banter. I'm quite the first one. 2019. Bibia be see I or baby a shas here. Celtics for your movie. Now on quite the next slide now. Celtics against Lazio in Europe. In Europe, what they did was that omo be display banner. No one's on matro. Omo use F word. Inti FCK Lazio. No matro. Lazio vafankulo. Ne say Lazio FU. Good. Where just an European game. Omo you normally way better. Follow your leader. Who say ya say obi by yen say ni tio. Ya di amana swan 9. And an 18 momshe form. And here Benito Mussolini, the former fascist leader of Italy. Lazio for supporters group ultras no. A more fascist link. And even some of their players have demonstrated it. Particularly Paolo Di Canio. So we know Paolo Di Canio way home. A more greeting be muchia. And so a linked with Adolf Hitler. And ne swastika ne your movement obey. Sanchiana na Di Canio wayeno. So Lazio to some extent are referred to as a far right club. And now a fascist club. Celtics no, omo far left, omo independent. They are liberators. They are anti-resistance. Inti adie bi etie nipa fa hodie so bebre no Celtic for them pay. So one way of demonstrating their angst, their anger, see empem asem to the Lazio people no was to display sa way tifosi of Benito Mussolini, omo hange no, and then also insulting Lazio for no. That was in 2019. Then in the Champions League this year, Omo Dinkabo home game was Celtic for home. Omo Babe repeats no. 1. Glasgow Celtic anti-fascist. And Omo di iba bion Lazio vafankulo. No mo tro follow your leader ni didi o matempoto eduguase. Lazio for na na de na hye omo pa. So they decided to take it to the extreme level. Extreme level no ba kunie. Did the Fenian bastards take shower today? Ireland for now, which they see anything. Bebre now no emigrate here, and they were living in very poor conditions. In those poor conditions, they are two women say they were not able to live a life and come up into a thing a come yare ne kuomo. Into a case of mun yare, it means a jare na was an come jare and come home better, or tom and come home better. The second one here, the famine is over. Go home. No, throw effing potato eaters. The potato eaters, in Ireland, when the Great Famine happened, somewhere 1840, in between 1850, a common de kofa buying and say Ireland, the Diana no mutedi or pani potato. Good. Now, potato no, yare be ball a santom no. So there was a potato disease scattered across the Irish counties. Entina potato ne omoduani omudino. Afe asanto no yare abona. Ehwa kwache inti de kom kese eba Ireland kronim. Potato eaters enya potato ndia e de ahokyere beba. Most of them emigrated into omoko nearby countries, Scotland near there. Inti yomo eye eya osema omode kai omo. Nearly 1 million people died. Wow. Inti sa omo free Ireland ekwo Scotland no. Emu bi na kote Celtics no. So Celtics ninchi free Ireland and the Sadia ye be use ade a eye momo yawde e di mo atem because of the amosomo de ye starting from 2019.
Wow.
Until being any BB qua and be also a one ashasi.
But as if my guys are about to marry and I'm in call true or Thomas and I in Comarca. Now, said you can on my own knee on a trader, Dodona day. Our messages about a team disappoint or FA Champions League and sign no Man United, William and Cancer Man United, Douglas Costa, Chelsea. They didn't even qualify to play the UEFA Champions League. Quabra Junior, Benfica, Amas Richard, Yugusu Yamujma, and Tibet to Mama Baby Amubi, Usafia Imano, the Red Devils, Omar Agates, Nediano Quedema Manchester United, RAAF, Manchester United, Donny Quedema Benfica, Nana Kofi Padmore, Quedema Manchester United, Ray, Manchester United, Nana Kwabna Kwame. Gracious or Quedema Benfica and Afafia Nation. Man United is the most disappointed team in this UEFA Champions League this season. Please, I need your number, Mate Mary now, Sakabu. Quedema Benfica at star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash. Mamanko Nancy Madu Eda Minimno Mene True Out pay for ending come up in Gaziano one favorite Roman and Dupa if India Ababe Romno. True automo product omo dia ba no se hye po benya kwaba na bibia boko de
obade nya adom ti me ho ye na so open kese
o me so me nwedem pa na na wo de me fine
modefo ma me ma mu ne adwuma na wonu apamfo nyina na me nchia atifo ne ahwefo so nyina mu ye adwuma pa nyankopon koso antre mu ahye ene true worth ye transi ya na ye nkomo a eya ya asakwan na mbebo ato na onipa bia yade adokono no de adane hankrasem ne kuomu de ene se nanida so nyina asa no ono so atime anya anida so bodua bi a wode nani aso anaso wode ne kra edi akiri no aso mu anya kwa hosan kra ne nyina mu mekai se inu ayakofa banyina efri India memu na ope wo man a omunuru eye papa na se enuro ne bani paduam na se woro nom a utimi nya no yi papa de a uyi India fo firi mu a enye yi na true word fo enu ayensa kan de abakuru mase no American Society of Ophthalmologists for ajatum se enu ne se wonum bia adansidie e wo ho a yemogya mu adwuma ankasa e na FDA for so do mo stamp esiso ene me ne odi nkomo afa obi a owo nipadua mu hawo bi te se srade age nipadua fam so na ade ba ko a e ya power asase so ne se oni padua no srade abamu na opese sa srade ri fi nipadua mu na wonya e ho akade na obia eka asem wa na ato wadwum o waduro de betimi aboa me masua de bi wo wie ase na mahunu ne se enya aduro nyina na wo se nipadua kora age enu nti no bo mo timi no maduro be wie ase na asa kofa ya afoforo aba betene nipadua ne so na true word for ye hwehunu se aduro bi a ye frɛ no True Wealth Active Core Cleanse onsa ka bia eno na eba be detoxify nipadua no bibini be ka ne se ebe funtum nipadua ebe samfunu nipadua ebe kuse nipadua no ama wo haw bia ayesrade wo nipadua no no eyini nyina afiri mu di ama obi wo hono asrade no didi nipadua mu ama nafu ayecheko yes wodi no ho ene na onipa bia so asrade aba wo nipadua mu no ensenkyerene a eda adie ebiniye obi wo hono a wakɔ awie mu anase onante awie mu no obi hu se nipadua no ni ye ne pe efiri se nipadua no emfifire wo se tibi firi mu ba no enya kwan ma sradia gini padua na fam so etubo nso ni padua na etime eno otime keka ne saa wonte ase obi won so wodware awie no na amane ni padua na aye dry ena bro ni be kan so dry skin ni padua na aye wensin bi saa efise sradia no ema ensuo ne ne ma pe wo se time bia no ni padua no e azom entimi nya saa de no eti se wo saa problem ni bia eno ne kire wo se wo ni padua cholesterol na doso sradia bamu dodo eti maame me nua ba ma me nua ba otie me a aduro ba ko pe ene betimi asamfuru ni pedum na yisrade ni nyina afiri mu de ama wo eye True Wealth Active Core Cleanse ebe cleanse ni pedua no ye beto ye kane no yesusu ano wo no aye ma no bense wa kwasiara me dabi ni acho ne asawo ye sawo ekokosiesie ni pedua ni mu eji fi bi abo atana se afiri mu na eye Active Core Cleanse no onom no efi bi aba ni pedua mu bia ebe yi ni na ba abonten enuane ahodo ye di enam ahodo ye hwie wenum nyina aboaboa no a na edesa wo hawo na ba minimi nua bi onimbo obo pa eni wogina koprama no so anya semkuma na enso so ni problem pa kese ne se ni padua no awia hya ase se ebo a na ho keka no ni nyina ye fi aboa no we ni padua ni mu eti onum active core cleanse no eti said ye kane na ye maame no efa kwan bi so nyankopon do mu nyansa tete han frefra na wo de saye na ye fin na ye dey e ba bonten no eti se wo tiem na wo sa problem ni bia bomodi afo ya ho mabrefo madwoi na wo de frɛ ye number ni ye 020 65 95 707 and 0558 724 302 0558 724 302 it is a friend number we now problem bisa no quick ye beboa na yama woduro betimi aboa na ene adanse bi wo hodomo na before say bebo adanse no obi wono an problem paye nani obi wono wani ho haw na eni ne haw no hye ase no na eye pressure na doctor ka chen sa aba nani no so nipa bia medical ka se sempanifo kura bodwa yetimi ka se omo te ade omo ya ni ntini eno kire yen se nyankopon nimdie mu no wa manipa bia wani ntina broni kan optic nerve na sa wo optic nerve no se pressure baso a eno na said ye kan na wosi hunu ade no obehu se so ate hunu ade sa biu ade ben wa hunu se wa akiri ade so wa akiri hunu se ben wo pa enti amana da ho aprekopa bi se wa hedai okwa akotom eti se wani na pressure abaso wo de na ye tenesi so gra koma bo modin ase onsa beka eye vision capsules a true afredi abadwama no so ebe samfo wani ne so na yi wo haw bi abaso se wo de no wani ne punsuo obu on mo a wo se nani ade beche na nani na ho no nani kusuo ne timi keka kohiem obu ko nani no wo se etwa nkyene ne nyina dem yade a ebo nkai se wo optic nerve no ho aka enti se wo saka vision capsules a ebetimi aboa ansa be bebo adanse no mesa esi number ni subio number ni 020 65 95 707 020 65 95 707 and 0558 72 43 02 0558 72 43 02 obrafo me mo adanse na wo ho no na yesusu yenya nsakire bi kakra.
Yes, your friend is for speak. No, we patch up. Na many in the having. And so, the fire no, the mutter abrasi. Man come along to me cut your master for ban. And I'm back, and didn't nana brand. Or cut your say, Nana no, Nania, now or the hospital no. One must see your layered operation. No operation no half 50-50 and the man no quarter vision castle no nti of fire no of also one no to you or third one so last week you were on now or by or any nana no e dia asema wo mo say I want or call hospital no one thing any no she audio into already a drone I had man self and go solo only off and go so and also sorry and or can or people say me friend go so now and I feel so me to because I want to be one car no I said the car no ye could see a crate back buyer akasiye ni ena wenwo vote to ano eno so ba ko ena me fi na we won ti owudi na we pigide na me fi o mi dasi obi wo ye ntema ya ena wenyi wadi 55 years na o ti se o hu na de ho a o hu se bibi aye ti se ball bi bete wona wo de na no ena fenso so oma nsuo bi fi na fitwo ka te se nkoma ena obeka kire me ena me ma no koto lady for to ni o so wanum to abaako o ne to so mienu no so na se ya na ball no etaro ho no eko na o si o ka e ba no o ka kire dada fo bi ena na dada fo no so we dey ekoko into so wadu koko na dro anko ọkọtọ already fault no ẹkọ nti mímí dáná ọtúnalẹ náà wọchi mìtì wá pápá a ní sí ní ẹ̀ma mi kọ̀ṣẹ́ a ọ̀nù náà wọ́n ẹ̀pù ẹ̀ báyìí náà ọ̀túnjò náà ọ̀sà àbísí bẹ́ẹ̀kì náà dẹ̀yà ọtí o ẹ̀dúró ní ọdún máa mi lọ mìdì mìtì aka hɔ a bọ́ọ̀lù ní ẹni hó bi o.
Mọ̀dẹ́fọ̀ sɛ wohwɛ sɛdeɛ ɛyɛ maame yi si di adanseɛ no a wei ɛda adi pefee sɛ wonum true word fo enu akɔfa fi India mamu n'aba no a osu bɛdi adanseɛ sɛdeɛ maame yi so yɛ dɛ ɛdi adanseɛ no sɛ wotie me saa bere ebi a wowɔ Kumasi wode w'ani kyerɛ mu ɔtafo a ɛyɛ Supreme Care onsa bɛka nnuro no nyinaa bi dodoɔ bi a wopɛ bi a saa so na Costa Pharmacy pampa so promise ɛbɔ yɛrepa FM hɔ onsa ɛbɛka bi takradefoɔ mo amoa anagye ne mo nkɔ Chanak Pharmacy ɛna afei fie nkwanta Herbal Clinic ɛso wɔ takrade Hillside nkɔkɔ ɛna afei Delight Koforidua wodie baabi a wo bia wodie wobɔwura pharmacy bi a ɔsɛ ope true word fo no ɔmakɔfa free India mamu aba no na wo so ɛbɛtumi aba ɔnyɛ yadeɛ baako pɛ ne yɛsa yadeɛ bi a titi nipadua no sɛ wo frɛ yi a yɛbɛhwɛ ne ama wo ho aduru a ɛbɛtumi de aboa wo media number ni tudwa de twa to okra number ni 0558 72 43 02 0558 72 43 02 and 020 65 95 707 abusuafo adanseɛ ɛyɛ enokre na onipa bia so oba bia na ma hye onkran ma ka kyerɛw sɛ emfa wo ne sɛ de suma duru abrabo bia nyanidaso bi sɛ akyɛsɛ de akura no anidaso hɔ domo ɛno nti da bia meka me so ɔsɛfo no onde wo hu nyansa entudua na se otwa so we di adanse sɛ nyankopɔn tumi mu nti edua no bɛsa afefe bi nti sɛ de yade ne tie bia no sɛ unya gidie eto aduro ne benum a ɔbɔade nyankopɔn so engu ani mu aseda ɔdɛfo nyamishira opa
mate menso me da se party true what products no ne abi dwama so yaka sendu party also na kokoko jibine eboa mania madeda di imperative me da mantine otize no di eni no active core cleanse no ho adanse ni nyina ze djuma eye no ano edem party also okọ ororo bibia azo pendro na ere di fi India baba berama no me kwa aba me ba me be me first draw no star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash me da mo ba pe yati asimina fa fisem no eto aso etime da mamo
Sompa achedie yaba Sompa achedie 2023 Bible say nyame sompa pani say obi ko wunyanka ene erisia mobo enu ti na Sompa 93.1 Kumasi Sompa 90.7 Enkransa Sompa 98.9 Sunyane yakabom se bronyen yebema enisia ene ekrafo edidi na yanko ayetini age se wo beboa yen enti se yesika fatu ahomatrofo iso 0598559802 meeting ubim 0598559802 edi hoso yeta 1 media branya bosome ni le to so aduonu ba ko ni bebodwa trada na de mode dum ye no ye de ama ekuna na me say akere ku na me say papa m so be am kese pa amen na yesika na yetuma so a wobetimi de aba afenso say niema bi ansa ye ti say mo ene anwa so a yebeje mo amu ye bi afie twa mu no emu adanse de de mo amu nim sompa akyede 2023 abusuafo yɛmfa yɛn ho hyɛm na propose prepa obo aduponko mu yɛnya nkopon obeyiye wiye sompa akyede 2023 ekunafo ene enyankane so wɔn bedidi.
Hey sewa me hu acho me nanu me bisa ekra so kwa brochu
Kwaku afei na mebeko na nkrata krani
eni me ma connection man for den kofo sika adwane no wanya otu adidi musa no
oh express group adalmenti akwento ayefo opese otu kwan kosua de a express group do be call mind me to say Canada US Australia UK any Germany say e to ana say visiting so a express group do be call Dubai Canada US Australia any Germany mo amu pese mo tu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai Qatar ana South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure you Kumasi Asafule Roundabout Accra so Omo Carnation First Light, Tema Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. For more Ahmad Shofo ISO 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
The ones that now from toothbrush no. Why and toothbrush no. You Ashford.
Nah, you need Ashford dear. That's so evident no way.
Oh, that the evidence, babe. I don't need Ashford toothbrush.
Oh, sweetheart. Ashford toothbrushes no. You want the different types. Share. I've been a day I'm cooking. Hey, Ashford Princess. And I'll break with you so hey Ashford Galaxy. What you know I so hey Ashford Evident. Media so hey Ashford Executive. And now my media so hey Ashford Friendly.
That Ashford toothbrush card.
My dear, Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear. Eya papa, eya moto. Ne to me ba do mi ye dani bia akwashisha ho. Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive, ni Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Eya Fibo Ventures na akofabe daso. It's 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. They will so winning. Blakojo, what badia? Beso mi muna mi nyari wadamfo e. Na mi ntumi no. Afraid is not kane ho.
Afraid de wo de wo dware wukunu. Ene nti why better sa no. Wo kan ntoma se ka mepe obofo heba mixer ebre no.
Obofo heba mixer. Ene hi bintem. Me so krasa. You no be mo ago.
Kwaku na ti sen. Enko ye bro. Je me hwedie mo ye me pa no hu. Enu bi problem na wo ka ho asem no. Enu bi pepepe. Ana me kire se me die no. Me num obofo heba mixer. Ena mtisi kinken. Sisi mi sia na me ti me wife kwa no so mu kakrakra eto da no so ne dia ba amankwada no ere ahobasa enti obofo heba Mr. no dia ye be hia ne ntampa oh munye binu mu abebo am pa with turmeric garlic gotu cola and ginkgo biloba turmeric garlic wo mu ani ebe papa enubra wo mu nti amwodiri wo mu akasa aduro yi enye ma apemfo abatan wo ma manufo ne nkwada wo nyemfi edumienu dodo a last chance herbal and healing center pram 52 pharmacy Kaswa Obom road and pharmacies ne herbal shops. One contact is 0574 353 707 and 0531 541 755 or Bofo Herba Mixer.
FDA aji ejedi nkra so yatum.
We are back bringing you the latest lineup from Betway. Betway starts strong with their phone too, with free play Friday and swipe bet.
I'm not food man.
In the middle, you've got all the control with cash out and build a bet. Plus, with Win Boost, you can boost your sports bets. At the back, they have smart picks and the partial daily jackpot.
You always get way more with Betway.
As you can see.
Alright, yeti simni ya momo dena yetimi eni koma akrana mwa na nema dida di mpreche beba be draw no so finally wa kwenya ze di kan obo modern one ni star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash eba wako Sompa Kumasi na watwa edi agumsa na aboa nema dadi peda manti mama sibano be simienu na mo Vodafone semenka en franchise Vodafone eSIM no eni awoso obo modern na do nhim na eSIM services no eboa nema dadi peda mezi nei obetimi ababe Vodafone customer unyusu physical SIM card simple cra order star 700 star 6 hash star 700 star 6 hash wo ram na boa manema de amount no ya ko baby a edina ramum retail shop bia na Vodafone office bia na ya to aso etimi edi amount ne ebeboa na onso niam bia we bia no akuyera ma after registration no ye ma 5 gig no ye data be use na 20 minutes airtime obomodena wetimi era for network bia peso ofre uwie bibia na chese free month de ni mu no hwehwe obo wode se busumi bia no ye ma 5 gig na afia ma 20 minutes obomodena wetimi de din komo Vodafone further together na niam de ye pa etimi era ma Sompa achede no ye guso a yeje ye beka e de acho se Christmas ni do a na chese enu anoma ne o ma me ne on papa efi mejo mo ye ma me ani no uwie ma ne kru ne fi meja no dia na eba ne sika sem ne ade a ya na edi timi de mo so no eni je ne be wie pent mo nhehye no ena ne Sompa FM Sompa TV afa e de ato se sa amre no ena ebe mo ne je ne wie pent ne se ebe dwuma de na ekrabe hwa je so techi ne nyina ka bom ne aye nti ne mo anwa abaye tin tomato sardine milo ebi ti se biscuit o de ba je be so ne enso no ye timi ada wasenya no nko ebi ti se ntoma ntade school bags out on a books out on a pen beshi shoe na fi no toothpaste ni toothbrushes out on a any semene no so de ba je hwe ne agena aboa mane ma de ye pa era ma me no kase no o pese on so di bibi kakraba ye de number bi tudwa ketua bi enso de ba bi be som na nkofo ye no ho adansidie na no edempa number no 0598 559 802 0598 559 Excellence Award they organize here the 20th anniversary mo tun for say to the second ya mama award nya no kon 12 Ghana Business and Financial Services awards no ya na rom mo factory me so a mo the new ultra modern showroom bi aba the etie no na for mana nkom de bi ani omundi 0202 27 1000 0202 27 1000 rare form rest assured na boa na nema de de etimi edi amount 21st can examine kanjo zebra na bra be romo masoye na yemboa na bibia enko kama pa entimi afama na 21st de otu omudin ape na otisiatica no nzo omo na expecting siatica omo na na siatica ya ne trinity a oti 21st din anu dwane ezanze omo ya ajeje abasobode na ewo wiase afa na nyina bibrema de na je so kan buso champana ni nyina no so mo neti ade na se enimi wemu o maye de beboaw na etimi aso ano na so ejan na so ntu obi a ene wa trans ya ma to asintine twetwon o nante a obre niam ankoye ma ramu sisi echi obebi e ramu so obi wa hwa dabi no o ba bebu bi aba ko abeje wa ya isa no 21st kenya no nko a eno mu dum dwuma se ne typhoid wo so malaria wo so stroke and hypertension and diabetes no ye boa so ano ya ye bia fritus ba besu na se no 21st be na o ma ye ho dwuma de amomo laba okwa ye be doso bebi a ye ne hye ya so ano scan services no enso ekoso na afia no nkra chi no ye se Friday bia da wa ye dwuma na wi a wabre no to for na massage chenchire nchepa ye massage no ne ye de machine treatment no enso e kan na aboa ma honam no etimi esisi won so more than 15 branches Ghana bibia omo bo edwuma Kumasi Ahwe Overseas Junction no be na radio Obuasi Council Cortes Co Junction bi nyomo Accra Dome Market tu nyomo Sunyane Nkranza ne Techima bibia omo eye edwuma number no 0249 311 0249 311 0540 311 0540 311 nembwa na hyehyɛ no nkoyie pa entimi emfa manto madaroma ye roma fisem na e banamon betu esemenka emfa nto se wenye dumfie dun otwe a o qualify so bebo wode na ne UEFA Europa League no odo ho etimi awramu www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh na boa na hyehyɛ no akoyie kama pa etimi edi amana ne ani yizamba ko ma sign dia ba nyaba bebaze no ene se yesi nei o akwanya pass the golden booking code no be yejuma ko mo site obabu atwa 100% o click so a the golden booking code ni be yaba eba emfa bi county bi mfim utwa 1 Ghana to 50 Ghana yediwa yesandu sika no nyama back udin so a unya sika bocho terms and conditions ade o mo apply no mo djuma di ni Betway na ne man ko iti Karen yeren yenye draw no first no na yenhwe ye kwe de ba na ya bo mode na second no ababa be ramu ntino wa akonya zone so be join star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash na boa na ne ma de ye kama pa etimi e the amount mi we na me ba be so ya me bo mode na metimi assign the second no enso etimi ape so na bibia de ye pa etimi e the amount we Sompa sika promotion emun common da bibia edida ye party gavin boso na yenhwe win na no ne yenhwe sede niema esie kone sede sie tie enti first win alo 0554-611 and the final free no bibinti ya edisie enti 0554-611 enti ono na abomode refresh win enche menene be kona yakwa kudin komoni on sere niema esie tie beranto mu no yendidi komoni sere niema esie kone di ebreramo ne sere niema esitie nyambo ochna ochna krabo mami wonu ne anko mediema Sporting Club Limited against CR Belouizdad na e gamer anobe dimpa yenti wimbra.
I say everywhere we go, people want to see me there, man.
Football loving people, football is coming home. A great game is coming. I had the CAF Champions League 2023. Ghana champions, Mediama Sporting Club, and the CR Belouizdad from Algeria. What a game is gonna be. At Babanyara Sports Stadium. And Friday, December 1, 2023. And Sunday holiday. And we are doing the pepe. Near be getting 4 p.m. Na game need them. Mediama Sporting Club inside the Nimonyamwa. I want Ghana football wanna samba game. I want the CAF Champions League numu. I have full support from Ghana and the Mediama Sporting Club. Emre Nwani. We study at the form Kulem. Popular stand. I have 20 Ghana cities. Center line 40 Ghana cities. VIP wings 50 Ghana cities. VIP made. I have 100 Ghana cities and a VVIP. I have cool 300 Ghana cities. Demo me hono die. Ubenya kakrabo ano. Fefefe. Enti fiada. Ghana fonia santimanyina. Yesia wa Babanyara Sports Stadium. CAF Champions League Asaba. Mediama. Edia ni monyamno epa. Mediama. Ababo.
Iti yambo chanyi yine kona yakwa ko support Mediama Sporting Club Limited. Mesen abana mababe twaso na mama kona Sompa sika promotion. Yodi ne kaneno meneno enkasemze we fia ama no so mesen akona meneno abomode etimi asa twaso na aboa maniama de ye pretimi e de ama na enhihye no so no etimi akoye kamaka party men kona meneno enkaza merpacho Sompa TV ni na odiane bebi awokasa fi.
Hello.
Yeah, me patrol Sompa TV so ni odini baby a okasefi.
Me kasefi dawo zero.
Me patrol Sompa sika promotion when you alert no because na e first win na wadi.
I'm back ready.
Wadi utwa say?
It's a density.
Patrol ne wadi o na e first win na why?
Mbache yo me check.
Adi wanya 500 Ghana cedi o san wa kwenya so obesen aba betwa second no na. Wase adi timi nim di obeka cha omo re ni omo mutie.
This year me se metra me interview de bia me hwemo. Na so na de metra ahwe. Ndi metra ya na wo se me me ka to bia se obia ntahwe na ye collect ba ye no kre enye draw.
See, enti wanya 500 Ghana ntino. Samba be try second one why?
Enti
ano ye Sompa sika promotion star 256 star 3 hash na warum na boa na ne ma de ye pretimi ada man ye romo mediama omo aswe ye no na omo bo modin ekokoro mo manhia ni nyina se eni Kumasi Babara Sports Studio no mbeba ababa bisi o makan no ntine wo so mutu anamo kokushia na nkomodidi awdo na etimi ewram ni nyina zo obe wo zo kokuru an na ase no hiraw serebe ahode ne beba na ejuma no waya ye ni na omkoya no donations awdo na ewramu esi ne mediama ema $800 say eni konfa no chi SCC de ne ma na ekọ ne fan support dreams so bo modin 2000 Ghana cedi no so no ewram na mun komo no see na net ye
Mediama Sporting Club is Eura. Our Brazilian answer to the Takapa was a money in Mediama. Then I said, it is a Eura. Adaroma, or one not teaching was. Is a my Kapa, say your boy, everybody put. About Sanoa, the Takapa, Mediama, and get at the Premier. Must be Eura, and we said, yes, so you're kidding the Eura. It's Mediama Sporting Club. In fact, $800. ɛde ma wura ada bi na yiri mu ana so ma ɛdo kɔ so ana ɛbra no bra ɛde abasu wura sɛ de sɛ
Super champion. Group chef super yeah. So snap 20 minutes na whisky you go my dear. You back. We will not on fire from my team. Don't try.
Kantiano yɛ nkɔmmɔdidi anra etimi ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ menhyia after no anso a the opim so ɛbɔ mɔde di nkɔmmɔ ɛhwɛ mu nkran sɛ ɔmo abɔdwo mo so na ɔbɔ mpa atɔ mo akyi anampo ɔbɔ mɔden na ɔdena mu nyama atɔ mo akyi sɛ nyɛ Ghana nko anamum no ɔmo kɔ kokoro mu ɛnso amonone a ɔmo betimi ayɛ adwuma no na aboa na ne ma kɔ etimi ɛda ma ɔman Ghana
sɛbi esi akan na nyɛ baabi a mase ɛna ma bɔbɔ no ɛna retete pa
Etiano yɛ command na etimi ewura mu e man share se ne ma be da yie pa era ma ye teams mienu ɛkɔ akɔ jam Africa no aboa ma ne ma dadi nti ɔkyena bɔ modern na games ne timi ahya ase na afi dreams in so no aba beto aso Sunday na de akibia no ewura mu kama pa etimi era ma nti ɔkyena afo fida ɛwɔ se nyina ɛkɔ na ye kɔkɔ support ne aboa ma ne ma da yie pa etimi era ma nti popular stand 20 Ghana, center line 40 Ghana, VIP wins 50 Ghana, VIP main 100 Ghana na VVIP with refreshment and also your 300 Ghana cedis. Eti yewura musa no chena ya momodin na game no entimi ankoso mediama ene CR Belouizdad. Nanra Belouizdad for no mu training ne course wo Pajo Park. Ore ne ma mo ye ne de omo de rerama na cheso mo so na aboabo mo yie papa e baba be boama tutu no adayi kama so no etimi e de ama mo ntie no e sa pepepe mo so ne de ababa be rama ye don komo no eramu so no etimi e de ama na benda kakra ni ene confirm ye ze ore sele ni mesi ekwa ene dwumedi amre bi atwam na bed power e bom modie ne de Ghana Football Association ADCN League no omo baba be so yase no ya de atimi akọ etimi e de apem na so ni no no omo abomodin a confirm ze ene enhihye omo aye ne se yeze the direct benefit no e be kwedi ama in place no nti first no lock room bonuses na omo je 150 Ghana cedis ne de 400 Ghana cedis de every match bia no se o win a eno ne de lock room bonuses ne ye bomodin na bed power for etimi ama in place no etie no ye nkomodidi omo so no e de ramazin de no ya bomodin increase no 167% ye de mu nkomo no ewram ne no so no aboama ne madadi pera manwa the MTN Free Cup no round of 62 Hartlefolk ezo etrafie ma Nania FC penalties omo de baba be Hartlefolk fima ne say ye nkoma uze ano na edempa nanso ni nyina mu no ye giri ze kakrakra de bia be dadi asa fimu eduana fimu na after game no no supporters na pala koma no mu di no bi ni na chesoro wani chemo pobima na me course no after say nania probably a crowd to focus film on the MTN Africa na so mo supporters no omo kuku apai pa na kuku na apai na mu nkomo no mu din ne sere ne mesiti no nya de keto akra ni na sa hye mo ze no mo ankasa ti omu fie na tima from nani aba etimi aba be yo mo ntia no mu nkomo no ene di ram to join a penalty say course no enu bi na wo hwe bo ama bibia akoyie pa na kra mo famiro mo near the current state Kumasi Babara Sports to Mizanzo China Bo Modian hosti interclub competition enya de keto akra to join here mezensi sie de no guso a ekoso kona ekoso no ewo so mo hwe no mo ye niam ni yesere be ochina mediama bebo modern na ren no omo setimi aka na bibia adadi imperial mo minizia baba be transe 3:00 ewo shootout no so ankomodidi awodo na ekoso na ebe na ye reram na apo ama ne ma adadi imperial mana mo Sompa sika promotion aka me final one na mehwe na maye ansa na mapija me muntu so betimi abana wa baba betwe di na aboa ma nema deda yie pa etimi era manti star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash obo mode etwa ene obo hu se obo code ni shema pe Sompa Kumasi beba Sompa Kumasi na ba wa frɛ no wa twa de agum sa bibia du ye ne 1010 any 15-15 serebe ye beboa na so no watimi arwen intimi ba be pija me mu a me draw no star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash na boa na nema na da ye pa etimi era ma drinks ni emienu pe eno na esmase ye didi mixer 5G and Mizo fruit drinks a big drama so na mixer 5G no e ma hoden sonkopa ma odwan na so adwuma de bia wudi bia utimi di ne kama pa na Mizo fruit drinks no e no so beboa na ma nema de de amanti ne eye na aba bedi nto na aba de dodo na eba be hiem no e drinks ya mienu na wo so obo moden etimi ere ma hoho no na eboa ma nema de de pe etimi ere ma number no obetimi afa na onimpemfu akasa ezanse no na wodwa so 0246 270221 0246 270221 0558 1063480 0558 1063448 Kwekwoche Company Limited or more Eastern Region Kofoidia more Eastern no monfa number 0243 329414 0243 329414 na KF Kinju Enterprise Orwaniche mu no motor so ami Kumasi a obejibi 0544 483392 0544 483392 Manager Daniel no 21st Connect Orwani HMO ewa hwia overseas wa dodo na ho be kind supermarket to benyebi Mama Esther Outcome Royal Ventures after Baptist University OGBA Webuakwa PNC Ventures Anomanji Taxi Station no OC Charity Hospital Junction ubenyomo na Sachi Enterprise afọ abinchi OC VIP car park no unyomu ramuna jibini amwa na ne mandeda yepa Enfama Express Group semen ken fanchos amano ne nkomo eyomwa Canada, US, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Germany. Express Group for Neroko akwakuram na ne makoye pa etimiara masu kosua de wa manone ne scholarship na be kombe ne aboa admission on be gide amao visa on sensen ticket no to na akwa amanone holidays ani ne be na ya boa opeso kokko ejumo nkro na me bobo so na Express Group ne doko akwakuram na ne makoye pera ma form number no 0249 000 448 0249 000 448 na 0555 550-067 0555 550-067 na 0508 111-343 0508-111-343 ufra yeno bekasa mepacho kumase asaf labor about to be nyomakra oro ani chemo kaneshi first light to nyomo tema community 18 la shibi girlfriend stage be nyomo East Legon amo ben Trinity Theological Seminar kwado wani chemo takra dia Marcus Seko Opsit Hot Ernesto Fast Food be nyomo na sunyane so so mo eben high court no Tamale Technical Hospital be nyomo na bibiani omo eben court no ntiko na yembo na ne mandadi akomya mame chance yo so ene hwe ensem no city city ene ne ma no de reram no na the MTN Africa ne result e ba ye other news e bobo de ba ena ne no bed power statement to mo de aba betu ya jeze lock room bonuses no ne ya pejam ti after so mo ne e fini juma de ne ye we no CNC sa store mo ne o ma partnership a players no mo win matches na from 150 Ghana cedis equal 400 Ghana. Mr. Nadia Kromasha see a last time na Bishop with you come on here. Now my Combrana fee the academy fan to us.
Okay. First of all, my more NSA for about so more Baba Sports Stadium. I think so from time to time I'm waiting to maintain a lot of things about Baba Sports Stadium and yeah Baba run into the busy period. Dear my dreams Kumasa Sante Kotoko House of Folk Dodo na wojidi say also mutimbe use page no they are working on it tirelessly and abun say omo no mo me investment in any say ba mo musu ko mo de adwuma.
Yes.
And say for one me so mo de adwuma baba. It's not enough crampo to do a lot, but at least kakra na omo saka no they do job my ma musu adwuma. Yo. Dabi. Ya ko give no fin bi o.
Dabi.
Enkonya ni nyina so masa so twitwi ni nyina so kama pitch ni so was in a very good condition watching the Kumasi Asante Kotoko game na hwe adwuma mo sa so ye wo so, and I think Ashanti Regional NSC Mr. Apia muni madwuma efo ni na ebom abaso say na ye pese every single stadium Ghana has say no mutimi di omudwuma na mo make sure say ye discabish mama nyoma this kind ba be ye no enye kwa na ebetimi aso ani. I think media should also be ready. This is what we want. This is what we really want. Yes, good job. Abu, I think say bet power deal no more they are call for the locker room bonus no. Only pros and cons. Sisi I'm imagining clubs or man to say bet power locker room bonus no. Omo for more players di enko. Because they say no. First, now can be a 150 CDs. I can't say 150 CDs there. And share your clubs be on mutual winning bonuses above 150 CDs. What did they mention as no? Your clubs be on maybe a home ye be 700 CDs. Away ye be 1,000. And the player energy has winning bonus from the club itself. And your clubs be also 200 and maybe 500. Now local room bonus never can one. Obebusa said, does it eradicate the winning bonus at clubs the more monana? No, it doesn't. What did they mention? The club no the winning bonus is utia, and a local room bonus and this is a different thing. This is war. It is a OJ club they be a 200. They now say OJ local room bonus and this is they account 600 CDs. Na ketria mai. So when my player no why they I and there is enough motivation for players to give their best.
Yes.
Because so boy now say win the bar scanner a day. I ready I want to buy as scanner them so to dressing room na ba.
Aba.
Movie na what dressing room na better quick. Na scanner them mutinte enya ade chance mbia na so konebra oye ya na them players be bring na so timi be your budget your money. So there are positives around this particular thing when it comes to the locker room bonus. Another positive is say a pressure free team owners in so the whole game we need to be an bit to winning bonus that day now, but it gives you room to relax. So pressure crowd will play and also na saka 400 CDs now. Abu Dhabi obetimi dey atoto no nyoma bi ansana main winning bonus of the club ne dey so aba be dey ababe kan wana send the salary ne so etima ababe pay so I think baby a bet power dey omo partnership na kwakofa no ebeboa some of the players within our league ebi ade ebe ya na say omo man for mu players details anko no anfa anko ma bet power for na dodo na jitu say komo fa mo club no mo ntwa mo players no I think so is omo no maso be she and most of their players too will be very angry with them so I didn't na man fe di anko say so your beneficiaries omo buy a partnership from the GFA. Which people makes up the GFA? And your clubs in the make up the GFA. So the clubs that make up the GFA now some more benefit here. I didn't know young benefit be. It doesn't look fair. They are handled by asem no because let me say pressure be club penifoni be super man register more players in this particular. But for instance is the modu.
Oh, ebeboa.
E modu. Ebe nyoma bi. Ebe nyoma bi uhwe bi market ya na omo nyoma bi a ebe bibi. Enye ni nyina akwa na ebe bibi. It will do something a bit in Miaboa. I'm a motor atom. So bet power. I know some complete the first phase of the bet power park and so.
Yes,
so I think it's very necessary. So also mutimi no more the free honor no more the free. So meaning that maybe the main headline sponsor of the FA no and at the Ghana Premier League no na isi no my day. So if the locker room bonus and the first phase of completing the first phase of Momu project no more with the bet power park no, I think it makes a lot of sense. It makes a lot of sense because league in Ankasa is not providing a lot of things for them. But maybe I nenso na sem na bibusa no. Abu bet power I no more games war Ghana Premier League games on my website no so.
Me nyesho. Me okay me hono di aro no me ni me wansem.
If I'm using the word as if because of a conditional clause. If say Ghana Premier League games also be free so.
Adai.
You see the moment ucha local room bonus no. The little room for some things to happen behind the scenes, you know. Yes. Especially when it comes to your game winning and your money said yes. We are in a certain terrain where I did check it for alarms when it comes to betting issues now. Abu very difficult to see betting many be say. Yentimi. And we have not even been able to prove beyond reasonable doubt. Say some games are fixed or some games are played for that particular kind of thing. Yes. So if Ghana Premier League games are there, this could be something. Also, Moshe. A new one there. Hallelujah. They should go with it. My only concern is the ultra local room bonus. Say Ghana Premier League games. Our bet power side tournament. But I don't think it is a good thing.
No, I come here no me convince how.
On say Bibia will be a baby. No. You know betting. I'm not saying it's a bet power base, but I don't leave room for things to happen. Ultra local room bonus 400 cedis. Debia. I'm using in contest. Ebia penimu bi krabet me aboy remubi. Because players no already some more muska. It is all case players bi nya dwuma bi ma wa enye den kra wo.
Oh, Sarah Wafaro. Bazi ho. So you want that we almost ni teams bi dwuma ba den.
So what the mention as misconception about omo fixing matches na betting companies. Your betting companies no. They are rather losing because of fixed matches.
Yes.
So they are not the ones initiating.
Obi na shege no this ejuma no.
Omo yes no. Match manipulators, fixers, sport fixers in a be a yellow card anyway no. Ye near the Andrew Salef. Ye mostly about the score line and then the number of goals. But I am stating it emphatically here. Betting company bia. Oh yeah, Juma or Ghana and the influencer fixed matches because they lose. Sika no mutia. Inti ada no ko fix match no tia huska. So they are the ones paying you.
Exactly.
So it is never true. Say betting companies fix games.
But obi mo
yes, I had the 20 or more reputation.
Yes.
But more fixing no, they are within the betting ring. Betting ring, you the ultra bet. They all provide the odds, and our market, on the platform, and they are the betting companies, and then you are the regulators. In between, you are individuals, groups, or organizations, or me are named, and or me masked, or more fixing games to their benefit. So the onus lies on one, the ultra bet, to be wary of obi or tom fixed matches and our correct score. Two, betting companies, to put in mechanisms to clamp down on such people, but they will need to team up with the regulators. It be any gaming commission.
Yes.
So this education needs to go out there. So below the market, Ghana Premier League. The only way it becomes a problem is when they don't pay the league for it.
Yes.
Say be a GFA, a Ghana Premier League. What load me marketer? The GFA is supposed to benefit, and the clubs are also supposed to benefit because a commercial activity.
Yeah.
Some for bet no more India. You make money. Why do you want to make money off a product and answer a league, but you are not paying or more making available matches for you to bet on? So a dicey issue that needs to be looked at. And several times, if any the statements about the complaining, but I don't know to the extent or Marco. So ultra matches on the GPL, you are advertising your platform. And it's a me bet power na me sade na. E mama for ko bet power ekotwa unyeska. Ada na de na unyeska wo ho no. Ompese nipa no no ma de na available no so be didi won. So that is where the issue is. But not really about the fixed games. And then fixed games no. They are the ones that need to be fished out and not the betting companies.
Mati, Migi, ode kana me no wo komo ebi di ba.
Ha se de na.
The idea.
See a bebe we are.
We are near
because issue opa.
Issue opa.
A protocol legend nearly coached us of folk. Me come the show.
Heart of folk.
Issues were brutal. Enra. Game no mulusu no. A poor preparation. As a time a couple penalty shooter. No omunim. Say we mu na ebo penalties no we mu na sha ase. Oh omumra. Ah, that's what I mean. Yeah, no ma. Nti omumra. Time e kobo penalties no. Na coach nim the obebo penalty number 1, number 2, Richard Atta or the ebufu na sorry so obebo. Because players no more twi omo. Because you prepare.
Na no kre. Ze penalty do na mu twi omo.
I didn't know SB Wambo. 2, Salifu, Di Maria, I didn't know Wambo. 3, omo midfielder.
Nuruddin.
Debi Otanga, I didn't know Wambo. Coach say onim so omo 2 yellow cards nti omo ye cap tied omo ntimi mbo, which is not true. Omo a cup tie that. Omo to me in league, but in the FA Cup they can play. Clarification has been made. Coach and Kobisa team manager into Onim
biggie.
Penalties no Okobo knockout competition. You did not practice for penalties.
When you are also out to food.
Oh, there, baby. No, yeah, baby.
Kamo jaso segram na Ghana do baby abugu ani ma sedodo.
So
team manager who nim say player we
men ko blame Richard Atta because Obia chicken out. Obia so ohwehwe ne ho. Ghana ne penalties they say.
Bigi mate ma me corner so am homecoming na edin e ba so. Pay for mo be transfer ma me na me ne omo ni nkomo akra ne hwesere ne meziti e bi omo de ene omo a era azu omo fie enti ebe ko ne no makasa na mo Sompa sika promotion store obetimi aba betwa no wadi me sorry so a mebo modern na me final draw no maye ti star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash emeze call of kakra o TV ne so abare aba ti mo ana no pa ni nyina ye mo se ade ne beba aba so ti mo ma metwa the final one na mundi ba ko ye 5 Ghana utwa gum dodo abedi bebi edu no ye ne 10 na aboa na ne ma deda dimpa na so ame homecoming ne baso ti mensa campaign for dodo na wa ha me ne omo e baba bedi nkomo amudi no wa ha na minim dodo na so but memo omo ankasa no ayomo adi na ya hu sere ne ma sitie na nhihye na sitie homecoming ne de eswansi meme nko bibia ma wa ha so ame ha na ya ba ne ya ba bedi ntimi be fise na abasei na omo achi no so mreba ma na me ne omo etimi ato azo ben akwa ba na mbo moko de
ya nua me ho boko
me ba tro evroze
me de Ishmael Boating me na me secretary homecoming organizing committee.
Oh wow ona is secretary mate obo get there me pa chozo
your friend me William Sani me na me second vice chairman.
Oh okay, second vice chairman as a chair Roma na obo me pa chozo
C. Jacobs, me na me organizer for the event.
Wow, that former Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko player na.
Yeah, Gambo.
Gambo na bibi abo kode.
Na mari mabu.
Kama she yi pa.
Na mari bibi she yi.
Waba no so de waba. Ele da bi wa mane. Utim nkomu di nka biza ba ko mienu bi. Esi aso as a form ne bank account.
Kasa ne fe no se.
Mate be bounce na ye di ko ba. Che ma me chance for views so am homecoming. De why ne mo na won patamu adi djuma de bia mo support ma ye ni ze kakra. Djuma di ni ye du ze ye di kwa kudu hin hihye de anim ne te say
I me say efi echina any free footballers.
Oh okay.
Enti ye ba football no djuma di ye be koso china no ene ye pese ye be pound to ma wa.
Oh okay.
Enti no organizer wa ha bibia ni a e woni nsem o de betudwa.
Oh okay. Ti organizer family form kakre na ye hwe.
Swami homecoming.
Efie ni fie.
Swami homecoming.
Efie ni fie.
Swami homecoming.
Home sweet home.
Yem fast da kese emanya nkopon say ode eneda yi adom ye. Anopa de say abudi abi wa my opportunity. Ye be gina so na Sompa crew ni na mo so ye de aseda ama since day one na mo support ye ama de abedru pempen so yi. Na asantifo ka bi say you can't say ejebo abedru nyankopon ya adoma echena ewia 1 o'clock you see AstroTurf park fe wo Swami division park ho nti atunudin Swami AstroTurf division park ho na djumadie no ye de ebe hihye so by 2 o'clock they say opening ceremony no ye de apeso a eko 2:30 na say kick off no Breman ene takwa makru na ombete tournament no ano 24 teams ene de bebo tournament no across Swami constituency no from Kronom Abohia Kwapra Breman UGC abusuakuwa eba bedru anomanje nkonta ene o Swami New Swami Club 600 Kotoko omo omo host nation omo ne Limpark for ya jai dwumade ni na ahye omo nsem so omo na omo hwe emma bibia ntimi enye fe na Swami homecoming na mpenifo ne atitiri na de omo support etai echi no ntimi nye krabehwe na ewia ye na atimi adiso mfaso ye start na echina no a ye be wie tournament no on the 29th December.
Oh okay.
Nti ye the 21 days ene ebobo no by be start first na ye wie no 29th. Na say final no ye de ahye so before final no ya hihye 12 match ama Sompa TV crew ene Ajinkwa FM4.
Ara the person also for
the one you be who the likes of Abu Dhabi, Atapokumu, Jeffrey Asarimu, definitely. Money on the bucketing razor. Ame you say Ashtown so I'm all stars and so Yanso Yabo second cutting razor no and a grand final match, you know. Etimi Abaso. No sense she kakra for now no.
Fast and we to was here than do an amateur. So was all Benzema Benzema. Eh bien. She goes by.
The Abu Dhabi studio yenim di over to my head and here we start new preparation no because the whole world you know obia di nani den chere swame during this Christmas because swame homecoming na ya kano since January ne ya bo hu the wura organization na be ka this time. I hope say modem ho agima ye na ye no bibia betima ye ama natima ko duru actually kakra organizer me dey ever ka ho
we knockout here na
there be group stages
groups yeah
okay
your 8 groups you be prelims no group be 3 teams
okay
it will be 2 matches team be about 2 matches if we are first and second be qualify call round of 16 na ya bo na quarter final na ya bo semi final and sana do grand final no na sen hihye no said it ya no
George no sansi su bi mame na ye nya time ni ye ozi 2 pepepe na open ceremony na shase
definitely
after no na first game na yin fan for na bebo
takwa any bremai for any bebo
2:30
yeah
so chine bo matches do say
yeah about 2 matches
okay after no so dey to aso no your time
we are Anumanje any nkontwuma bremai nkontwuma
okay
and bobo second match na Saturday Sunday etuam sa koka say bebo prelims ni na awie ni abo round of 16 no so atoa so we are ye be break kakra 16th 17th 18th 19th na ye dey organize am assembly members for na koto o maba omu we are on the 20th na say quarter final no so atoa so then we carry on to the grand final
ante secretary gakre na me say jumadi na chance ye ne ma wa na matu ye nkra na rewra ni ade afa kraso so na men call gambo
se we football every ma other activities we esu hihim from first January December na ko si 30th no school quiz e wo mu bi basic schools also ame ye community as both also and new so ame no ya organize school quiz at the ama omo eno achi so no ye be ye float I don't know about 24th December from Swami roundabout near Fa Swami Krunumana afi ya badun da roman phone so see ane de I don't know ya pa hontima ayba be na kesepa no da thereby be baso no and the last day and we are thereby I don't know so no titofo nyina no basa dwumadi na se hanze ho no ye pese ye bot foto ye de bo dwumadi e ba bedie no edika no enema mienu bi edika o si ani so pa ba ko community air library and ICT center no ka ho bi asabri kura no nyame adom ye nya so amefo no bi a o magye atum se sidite bi na asase ne ready a o ma be boayen ama yatimi apagya adnasuo sabri no panyifo kura che se asase de I ready ye hwe animu se Makers House Chapel panyipo da no Reverend Michael Bodi nyameche ono ana hye sabo no so be ye bibia o so amini o so ami otena so ami ko Methodist school so ami na odi nyine ko asihia no o nya medjuma o enkran ana ebiemo so no yesan so ehwese ebitima si the nursing school nursing training school e wo so ami ti sa ne ma mienu we se ne ade edi kan pa ye hwenji si ande ye hu se library no ba bia kwakodu no esia no ye bodwa na deba day na ye foto no kese na no ho ne ba be pesika ne de akwa wura enti ade se ye ba be deba day no ye be fundraising ti ye be sre adofo mutie yen chichi ne benche nyina se eduru ho a ye ba ye mo ye ho ana the time so the momo ne promises animal nyina no ho nom aha se nye fiscal cash kwa na kwa bia be fa so abeboa bia no obetima ye bank account so ho no so am homecoming dinner da so ye momo account so am homecoming dinner da so bia ba bia no se bi emma ba kufo bi nsam ekọ account ma ye hwese de be branduru ho no ma ye wi a empanyimfo ade ba ko hia pa ye so am empanyimfo eta adwumadi na chi na nanom ahemfo mo so am be enso ene o so am je titufo no asa be mo nyina no blessing wo adwumadi no achi ti si ano de nanom wo mu bi ti de ego bia so no ye ne wo mu ene ye your original chief imam ono so no so ameni central original chief imam and ona say osawe santi hini kramu na afi kura so no yenyenim say member of parliament ono aso ko parliament majority leader and leader of government business tina the swami true for the likes of KMA boss omunya na swami for mu sorry ha former KMA boss no ICR no on NSS ono so no swami ni ana mpanyifo pina ne kaze bodi a ebre no beje ebekoje amunya no eba dwumadi ni
ma tibinim se o mesa ba ebre se hia game ni gusu e gozo gamo ka kre na me ma chairman wie ma memre no kra so na me nya na me pagya
awu da se se o mesa akonya yi abu ya yi de men se ya homecoming okumasia swam homecoming special because of the entire special say yes swam for a day you papa 6 million
yes
it's not some pass swam yes swam padepa enti ohwa football you know me Francis Akwafo and an Verti
Siabonga no way
coming never on the crab himself and
yeah Siabonga Capito
and Kalipo lots of
Kalipo ai Ozebozu
yeah
ai former Brekuma
hey yeah
abodi wa agamo Ozebozu
yeah ni na no pe anka okoba bi ntina went me ama ye na da anonchi e de letter koma Asante Regional Football Association Samuel Osekofo ena Thomas Gia ena George Rumo e chom na do munim de ba beta ayinati Abu Dhabi we so am homecoming ayi dia ye ayi homecoming we hear the buy is come for network na event na mu ye we say an be gi this say mo ma boy
yeah beba
let's say mo boy because ye kutadom edom my magazine ko 6 million obi aso yeso ameni so far say odidi enya wo sanad mo so amede wa be yeso ameni ye nkwan de homecoming ayaya ye nka say free so amena say ya obi are invited into here dey unique Abu Dhabi say mu namfa
baba betechi chama wie ma me na memre na so na me jam kwan na
dwumadi start e kire we dey afutu e wo mpa ebekwa ma supporters amba beta dwumadi nti ye be sire obi bia dwumani ayedi ni wo abeba obi a ye se so be comportu ho yi no mo dwumadi na efe na akoso obi a owa abonten a opese oboa so am homecoming your mobile money account your account number nti obi opese oboa bia esrew ubusa yebenya saade na ma na odi abo so mo kame se de aduru no aduru bunum sika na yede ye nti obi anfo ne sika mebo adwumadi no na adwumadi ne ko nanim
ate cha mezo me damasepa na yezo ye hye se ye ne mo ewa hayi bibia so amoton safre ya ye beba na mo yini ni okay mate ye bedi hu dwumanti ye damasepa so ne mombre ti ochena so ne ye beba na ya baba bu monitor event no ne de be koso why ba na ye damasepazo makra mapass ma magin kwafo ye be show mo pa ye vo mu ndi agro di ye baba betrichi ti ye damasepazo nyamisha mo pa
Swami homecoming
efie ni fie
Swami homecoming
home sweet home
ye be na be ka kira Abu Dhabi
nyamisha
da wasi ti ono yeso abi homecoming ya bo chana ne bo modern games no timi ashas ya na ze dwumadi na be kosi ne bebrebe ti esma si de anije ni nyina wo so ame ha na ya bo ana ne ma deda di padi boso na menye me final draw na fe mi pagya me mu na menko na enye ya ti kramomber na ma fa we na ma me monfa na me hu ni po bo modern awe ne ade the names are done there. Ejale to me. Ati boso de ko. Ati ai, ajwa de o. 024591